Right now, have forgotten.
Alam nyo, kami rin mismo rito ay gusto namin malaman kung paano talaga nilalaro ang 2-ball. Pero napakadali lang yan eh. Meron kang 7 spots on the floor. Ayan o. Pakikita namin sa inyo, meron dalawang actually, sabihin mo natin sa kanila na merong dalawang players per team. So meron 16 participants dito. Meron mga areas na makikita nyo mamaya na may mga corresponding point. Tignan nyo yung mga corresponding places na yan, +1, yun ang score sa bawat position. Anong importante, Anthony, dito? Anong pinaka-objective?
Okay, you have to rack up as many points. Pero nakita natin that number 1 position, you can only shoot twice, maximum of twice. Kasi layup lang yan para sa mga player. But then everywhere else, 2, 3, 4, walang problema, you can shoot as many times. Ang importante lang dito is, a player cannot shoot consecutively.
Okay lang, alternate.
Okay, at the same time, para lang sa, kung gusto, yung mga gusto mag-compete sa bahay, you see the different spots, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to know the corresponding points, dagdagan mo lang ng 1. So dun sa number 1, 2 points yan. Dito sa number 4, 5 points yan. So,
tatanungin natin kung anong, ito, may mga pwesto eh.
Yun, sinabi ko sa iyo, Chino, all you have to do is just add 1 point. So, dun sa spot number 3, that's 4 points, so on and so forth.
Pero sinasabi mo yung layup, ilang beses lang, 2 beses lang pwede.
Maximum of 2 shots only.
Okay, pupunta tayo dun sa isa sa mga nakakatakot kalaban sa 2-ball.
Ito, nag-i-ensayo daw yan eh.
Si Jun Reyes at si Dicky Bachman ang sabi ay maghuhuksat sa from the 3-point line. Si Victor Pablo and Dixon, Richie Dixon from Shell, si Eric Reyes, Patrick Fran from Mobiline, si Noynoy at saka si Boy Cabajo para sa Santa Lucia. Again, Elmer Lago at saka si Edlo Reyes from Pure Foods, Benny Cheng at saka si Harencio sa ating para sa Ginebra. Okay, lilipan muna kami ng konti dahil nasa gitna kami ng court. May bawa na dito ka?
Pare, Scott, hook shot na may medal ha. Nakasunod ka ng medal.
Upo kayo dyan. Biti.
Oh, ito na yung 2-ball.
Well, it's the first time it's being done here, Chino, so it's going to be very interesting for all of the PBA fans to see how this actually works. A lot of teamwork is involved here.
Okay, dito kasi ang importante inulit namin, there are 7 spots on the floor, no? Ito, si Dicky Bachman electing to shoot, hindi, from the half court. Magpapasa actually yan. Buwelo yan, buwelo.
So everything here, once again, basketball rules apply, no? So there's traveling, may palming, lahat yan kailangan.
Double dribble ba tawag dito? Bakit traveling nga, meron. They have 1 minute, no? Ito. Umpisa, parang buwelo ito eh. Jun Reyes makes his first 3 points. Tapos nato si Dicky Bachman. Okay? Meron siyang 4 points. Titira ulit si Dicky Bachman. Okay, ito, maglilipat na sila ng spots kasi. So, electing to shoot. Kailangan kasi lahat ng pwesto sa loob ay mapag-shootan ninyo. Yun ang importante, and then you can pick your spot. Tama ba ako?
Tama yun. So, ang ginagawa nila is right, no?
Ito, tinitira ni Dicky Bachman, making sure that, yan, nakapag-convert siya so he can leave the spot. Ayan, si Jun Reyes, titira from the 3-point, from the free throw line. Bali, nasutan na nila yung spot 7 at saka spot 6. Pababa sila eh. Working their way down.
What's important also is you have to be able to shoot from every spot, no? So, I think naikot na nila lahat.
Eto, pumunta si Dicky sa favorite spot niya. Ayun, naipasok niya. That's worth 5 points from that area.
I think
Jun Reyes, hindi maisot eh. Problema nila doon sa
number 2.
And 1 second to go. Jun Reyes scores 4 points sa dulo. Tandaan natin, number 3 spot.
It's gonna be interesting to see what their scores are gonna be.
Dicky Bachman. Akala ko ba hookshot si Dicky Bachman?
Siguro hindi na niya naisip kasi yung isang layup niya dun hindi counted.
Merong combined score si Dicky Bachman and Jun Reyes of 41 points.
So, yan yung pinagtatalo ng mga referee, Chino, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. He was on spot number 1, the layup. He was directly under the basket. Hindi siya nakatapak dun sa number 1. Kailangan nakatapak ka ron.
Ayun ang sinasabi natin kahigpitan. Kasi ang nasa rule din ito, kailangan at least yung area, yung may spot na bilog o yung bilog na may number, at least matapakan mo yan, no?
It doesn't have to be the whole foot, doesn't have to be 2 feet. Basta a fraction of your foot has to be in that
area. At least
area.
touch me area. Next, we have the pair of Victor Pablo and Richie Dixon of Shell. 41 points ang hahagarin.
Well, 41 points ang official, supposedly official, Chino, pero mukhang the referees were saying to remove 2 points. 51. Okay. So 51.
Alam mo kung saan galing yung 10 points. Nakapag-convert sila sa lahat ng areas. That's another addition, no?
So, importante
Huwag
yun.
kayong mag-alala, next year, palagay ko, alam na namin ng rules ito.
Pero ang importante rito may coach ka rin para malaman mo because it's very hard to concentrate on shooting, passing, running after the ball,
Ayan,
and making sure you go to all the spots.
Short si Richie Dixon. So that's time consuming, kaya kailangan yun. Yung ginawa ni Victor Pablo, sinigurado niyang tinapakan niya. Richie Dixon from that area. Okay, so meron na nakompleto na ni Vic yun. Kailangan umalis na siya doon. Dixon 3 points. 3-point shot, but that's worth 8 points. Victor Pablo sa 5 points dahil ato siya sa number 4 spot. Dixon pabanda. Ito, they're working their way doon sa kanilang lahat ng areas. And Victor Pablo and Richie Dixon, makakakuha na sila ng 10 points because they have practically shot from all areas dito.
Well, now they have Gino because
Hindi pa, yung 3 pa.
Hindi pa rin nila nagagawa yung 3, but then it doesn't matter anymore kahit hindi pumasok. Basta they tried from all spots. They're trying from the free throw area.
Naku, hindi naman siya ni Victor Pablo. Yun yung potential na problema
They
niya
can't
ngayon.
anymore score from that one position.
Naku, hindi talaga makakuha, oh.
They need 3 points.
Ayun, sa wakas. And then they can
This is
shoot
gonna
ito.
be the last shot for Richie Dixon. They need the 3
8 yan.
points.
Pwede pa isa. Wala na, ubus na.
And there was
That's it.
one basket, Chino, that will be nullified. I don't remember exactly where they shot from. I think it was from the 2 position, wherein the referee called a traveling violation because
May
Richie
traveling
Dixon
ba?
got the rebound. He dribbled once
Tumalon.
and then dalawang beses siyang humakbang papunta dun sa
Ayun,
second
sabi
spot.
ng referee may -1. Sa 3, so yung 3 na yun, magko-correspond sa DOS daw. Yun, yung sinasabi mo.
See, that's what I was telling you. Dun sa number 2, which is equivalent to 3 points, mapabawasan sila nun.
-3, but naishoot ba nila lahat yung angle? Lahat ng
I think they
areas?
did, so they will get an additional 10 points though.
Okay, so score natin sa kanila. Ang score kanina ni Jun Reyes at saka ni Dicky Bachman was 51. Naka
Well, Gino,
46
that's it.
points sila.
They said 46 points.
For 36 points plus 10 bonus points for a total of 46 points.
So,
From Black Pass.
still the team to beat, Chino, is the first team of Dicky Bachman and Jun Reyes because Jun Reyes actually helped them with 2 early 3-point shots from spot number 7, which is a total of 16 points kaagad.
Eto, Patrick Fran missing from the 7 area. Ayun yung 2 points. Ayan, ang maganda. May music para ganahan naman kami.
It falls for them.
Ito yung spot na hindi pa rin nila susutan.
Alam mo,
Patrick
maganda yung
Fran.
ginagawa nila ngayon. They're making sure that they go to all the spots first, and then after that, they can go to their favorite spots.
Ang hirap din kasi yung oras, yun ang problema mo rito. Yun, ay pasok na nila yun, no? So, dalawang spot, yung 4 na lang din na nasusutan halos.
Well,
Naku,
you don't necessarily have to convert the basket, Chino. I think you have to just
At
be
least
be
take
able
it,
to try from all of that. Now, Patrick Fan scoring 16 points dun lang sa 3-point area, which is spot number 7.
Pabanda,
Okay,
wala.
now from this point on, they can shoot from anywhere else kasi nakompleto na lang yung route.
Pinuntahan na nila lahat yung area, so...
Oh, that would have been another 8 points. This is going to be worth 4 points.
Hindi talaga
They
nila
don't
makakuha.
convert.
Oh, hindi na matutuloy yan. That's the 7-point area sana na hinahabol ni Patrick Fran.
Pero dito sa round nila, walang violations whatsoever.
Tingin lang natin ang official score from our PBA scorers. So far, 51 and 46 ang score ni Dicky Bachman pair ni Jun Reyes and the pair of Victor Pablo and Richie Dixon.
Pero kanina sabi nga ni Alan Kaidik na nakausap natin, they scored 70 points. And so, tapos ang balita naman na sila Boy Cabahog from Santa Lucia scored 80. So,
Ito.
yun ang gusto natin makita. Ito na yun. Well, 35 points dyan sa kopanan ng Mobiline.
Kabahog, nako, 8 agad yun. Hop, short. Nadulas.
Well, a bad start for them here.
Kailangan dito, mabilis din ang transition Pasa agad. Papwestuhin mo na yung kakampi mo, then let him shoot.
That's gonna waste some time. He should
laki,
get it
laki
now
ng
from spot number 1. Yun.
Ayun,
Okay.
sinigurado na. Mabagal lang konti itong Paris na to.
Pero alam mo sa practice daw, this is supposed to be the team to beat because these guys scored 80 points. But of course, in practice it's different from the real thing. Alam mo, Chino, nakakatakot din yung mga numbers because, I think some of the numbers move. And so medyo nailang sila ng konti. Kanina si Nonay Falcao.
Natapakan mo, madulas.
Natapakan. Kaya I think nailang siya ng konti. And he
Short
missed
si Cabahog.
that shot.
Pupunta na sila sa malayo-layo. Maybe they can start shooting from the 3-point line. Yan ang gagawin ni Cabahog. Because that's
Well, this
actually
is
worth 8
specialty.
points.
That's 8 points.
Isa pa,
No.
pwede pa isa. Falca Santos trying for 5 points additional. Nope, he doesn't get that.
What Nono should have done was he should have shot from the 1 position because that would have given them 2 points. Isang attempt lang ginawa nila doon, Chino. They should have been able to at least get another extra 2 points.
Ito naman ang pares ni Edmond Reyes at saka ni Elmer Cabao. 24 para sa Santa Lucia pair. So yan ang pinakamababa so far natin.
Well, they got off to a slow start and then medyo na-dismaya siguro sila doon sa isang layup ni Nonoy Falca Santos na dapat counted. Ano? Well, different strategy here. Edmond Reyes going for only 5 points in that instance. They go for the 3 right away. They still don't convert.
Wala pa
No
sila
points
na-score.
yet for Pure Foods.
Still no points. Ayun, meron na silang 8. Okay,
Well, si
meron na
Edmond
silang
Reyes
13.
ata yung paborito ata niya yung 4 position, no? So he's going to be shooting most of his shots from there. This is a 3-point shot.
13 points so far. Make that 17.
Wala pa
Hindi
sila
nila
doon sa
makuha.
ilalim, ano? Yan,
Ito.
ito na yun.
22 seconds remaining. Ito, pwede tumira dito
Well, a
simple
free
lang.
throw shot.
Kailangan din pala, no? Follow your shot. Tapos pasa mo na agad. To set up your team.
Yan.
Tulad ng ginagawa.
Ngayon, nakakompleto na sila. Now they have a bonus 10 points because they've gone through all of the positions. They'll need this. That's 8 points.
Yun.
He converts.
8 yun.
Ito, 4 points. I think that'll be the last shot and they get it.
Ang hirap din ng rhythm eh. Sayang yung tira ni Elmer doon sa dulo. Ngayon, may Elmer Lago kanina. Si Dwight Lago naman si Boyd Fernandez. From
From
Patrola.
younger brother to older brother, Dwight Lago will see what he can do. Boyd Fernandez, we all know, can shoot from anywhere in the court.
Ganon din si Dwight. 38 points para sa pares ng Tender Juicy Hotdog.
Well, still right now, nanguuna yung Alaska. Bachman Reyes with 51 points.
Ang walang participant dito, yung Ginebra San Miguel. Wala silang entry. Parang kanina doon sa buzzer beater, nakalista ang pangalan ni Valdabid, pero hindi natin nakita si Valdabid. Pero alam ko, maglalaro siya para doon sa All-Star Game. Ah, hindi, ito, ang pares, oh. Kaya pala naman, eh.
Ito na, alam mo naman ito si Pido Harencio. Nako, medyo he got a workout already a while ago sa 3-point shootout. So,
Ito. Interesting to dahil si Pido Caneso will take care of the outside. Bahala na si Benny Cheng sa loob.
but at the same time, you know, this guy can hit the medium range jump shots also. So, sa kahit sa 6 at saka sa 5 position, kayang-kaya rin ni Benny Cheng yan.
Pido, releases. Pinakuha, Benny Cheng, sisiguraduhin ang kanila 2 points. Pido Carencio, nailing. Yun ang problema nung linoleum, oh, yun, oh, gusot na, oh. Baka may madulas na ron, no?
Well, hindi na sila makakatira doon. Wala naman problema, Chino, because
Pabayaan na lang
nakita
nila
naman
yan.
natin, nakakota na sila ron.
Yan, tama ang ginagawa nila, oh. Rebound, sabay pasa na.
It takes a lot of strategy also ang ginagawa ni Benny Cheng. He's asking Pido Harencio to pick up most of the balls for him. Yan, ngayon, pag nakatira na si Benny Cheng dito, nakakota na rin sila sa lahat ng mga
Yun,
spots.
may 10 points nila. So lalabas na sila dito, which is 8 points. Naku, di nakuha. Benny Cheng from
With
the
only 10
6-point
seconds
area.
to go, they're going to be able to get off 2 more shots, I believe. Well, Benny Cheng, this is going to be the final shot for Ginebra San Miguel.
Sayang, no?
That was pretty good though, Chino. We don't have an official count, but then I think they're somewhere within the 40-point range.
Okay, so kompleto. Akala natin, wala na si Pido at saka si Benny kanina, eh.
Benny Cheng is our answer for 35 points. -1 for traveling for a total of 34.
Well, nakita natin, hindi talaga ako magaling sa math. Ano? I expected it in the 40 range, but they only got 35.
Ito, nanigurado. Malapit muna.
Which is good strategy, but then alam mo yung strategy na ginawa talaga ng Alaska, going for the 3-point shot right away dun sa section number 7. That's 16 points na nakuha na nung kaagad-agad.
Ito, matindi tong dalawang to. Ganda, wala pa silang pinapalya, oh. Balik sila kay Boyd Fernandez. Hindi
That's
niya
the first
nakuha yung
miss.
kanyang 8 points. Ayun ang mahirap kasi. Kailangan get your own miss. Na importante.
Well, what's
Lago
going to
has
be
it
very
missed,
important
ito si
here right
Dwight.
now, they still have to go to the 6th spot and the
Hindi talaga
5th
makuha.
spot. Well, Dwight goes to it now.
Short. Pupunta na
22
sila sa
seconds
3
to go.
points. Yun. Maganda score nito, Anthony. Magandang
Magandang
rhythm
score,
nila.
pero baka
Maganda
wala
yung...
sila makuha ang plus 10 because yung 5th spot, if I'm not mistaken, hindi pa nila napupuntahan.
Naku, baka walang nagsasabi sa kanila nun.
Yun ang sinasabi ko sa iyo kanina, Chino. You need a coach to be able to make sure that you go to all the spots. I may be wrong.
Pero binawi na ni Boy Joe sa 3-point shot niya. Walang bonus. Naririnig ko sinasabi ng mga scorers natin. Tingnan natin, ha? Kukonfirm natin yan.
Well, they can easily check kasi nakasulat naman dyan sa scoreboard nila. Nakikita na nakapuntos yun eh. So you'll have 8 points, 4 points, 5 points. Pag may nagkulang na 6 points, ibig sabihin hindi nila pinuntahan lahat.
Ito ang paboritong kombinasyon daw dito. Yung kombinasyon ni Alan Kaidik at saka ni Freddy Abuda.
Well, officially, 71 points, Chino.
Yan.
Well,
Nakashoot sila sa all spots.
nakashoot sila sa lahat. So they got 61 plus a bonus of 10, 71. That's going to be the score to beat right now.
Ito si Alan at saka si Freddy.
Well, surprisingly, you know, they elect to have Freddy Abuda shoot first.
Boy, si Freddy Abuda, ang tindi din na kami sa perimeter niyan. Alan, kina na agad at 3 points. Ayun, hinihintay ni Alan, no? Tama ka, no? Hindi ka binibitawan ni Alan ng nagmamadali.
Tapos
Ayun
din naman
si Alan.
ginagawa na. They're letting Freddy Abuda, who syempre is the younger of the two, no?
Pasusutin ni Alan, no?
Si Alan nakatayo na lang
Ayun.
doon. Pupwersa
Tama
na
yung
si
ginagawa
Alan.
nila. Si Alan mag-aabang. At the same time, kailangan huwag niyang malakas sa tira. Freddy will shoot from the, 2 points, ano?
Spot.
Punta sila sa 4. May oras pa, mahaba pa oras itong dalawang to. Hinihingi na ni Alan ng bola.
Well, Alan's just gonna go for all 8 points every time he's up there.
Kailangan ma-break eh. Kailangan may tira mo yun, no? Ganda ng teamwork nilang dalawa, oh. O yun, short. They can take the last shot.
There it counts!
Pero naipasok ni Freddy Abuda. Doon sa gilid sinasabi ni Alan, itira yung isa pang mas malapit, which was the 2. Pero inelect ni Freddy dalhin doon sa 3, nalaging 4.
And he gets, no, that's from the 5 position, I think,
5
Chino.
position pala, oh.
That's 6 points. So Alan Kadick wanted him to get 2, but in
Nakakuha
effect,
sila
they
sa
got 6.
O, tatawa-tawa yung dalawa, nakahiga doon, no? So, ang score to beat is 71. Top 2 scoring teams make it to the finals, eh. Yung 71 ni Dwight at saka ni Elmer, ang hirap.
Well, 63 points for San Miguel
So,
Beer,
finals
Chino.
yung dalawa.
So San Miguel Beer is going to be in the finals against Pop Cola.
Plus 10 bonus points for a total of 63.
So, ang championship natin, ang finals ng ating McDonald's 2-ball championship o 2-ball competition.
Pop Cola
Ano
at
yan,
saka
no?
San Miguel. Uy, tayo yun. Nasaan na yun?
Kamukha ni Chino at saka ni Anthony yun,
Okay, so
Ang
it's
finals
San
natin.
Miguel Beer and Pop Cola in the
Okay,
finals.
magkukumesa kami, magbabalik kami dito sa Cuneta Astro.
The two-ball competition is brought to you by McDonald's, the proud.
McDonald's 2-ball championship at electing to go first sa finals ay ang pares ni Freddy Abuda at ni Alan Kaidik. And they do the same rhythm or the same thing that they did kanina. Nasutan na nila yung tatlong spots. Alan Kaidik gunning for a 3-point shot is short.
You know, 2 points I want to raise here, Chino. First is maganda yung decision ni Freddy Abuda to go for 6 points, because if they didn't go for 6 points and they followed what Alan wanted, which is to go for 2, they wouldn't be in the finals. Nasa finals dapat ang Alaska.
Tinuturo ni Alan
6
Kaidik
points.
at saka si Freddy Abuda kung paano gagawin ako yung init ng kamay. And Alan Kaidik pointing to Freddy Abuda where to shoot. He misses. Ato si Alan sa malayo. Sinasabi ni Alan, siya yung baling na to, coach eh. Sinasabi niya kay Freddy, sumit ka muna dyan sa kabila. Ayun, ay pasok nila. Babalik si Alan sa 6.
Short, not shot from the 4 position yet, I think.
Ito yung 4 position. Masyado
That's
malakas
gonna
sa
be
tira. Sayang. Pero ang tindi nung pinanata ni Alan, tatlong 3-point shots.
Matindi talaga yun. Another point I want to raise is they won the coin toss, but they elected to go first. Now,
Para
they just
ma-pressure.
finished.
Kasi mahihit ka pa eh, may written ka pa eh.
Well, may rhythm ka pa, but at
So,
the
baka
same time,
pagod
you know,
ka.
baka medyo pagod ka pa, no? So, we'll see if it turns out to be a right decision for them. They have a legitimate score of 49, you see? Kanina naka 63 points, ngayon naka 49 lang. So, medyo delikado ngayon sila.
Tamo si Alan. Ultimo yung ganitong klaseng competition, exhibition, buhos pa rin lahat yan. Kaya nga sarap panoorin ni Alan Kaydik pagka ganito. Itong dalawa, calculated ang moves nila. Inuubos nila lahat yung kanilang mga options. Which might be the right thing to do, no? Kasi naka 71 sila by doing that kanina.
Well, right now, medyo minamala sila. Kahit yung mga malalapit na tira, hindi pumapasok. Pero kanina, lahat ng
Kanina,
delikado
ganda
nila
ng bitaw nila sa
pumasok,
una.
ha?
And this is actually the pair of Boyd Fernandez at saka si Dwight Lago. Naku, hindi makapasok. Kanina, ang ganda ng mga bitaw nila. Ayun, nakakabawi ng konti.
I think they have not gone to the 5 spot. Which will give
Ayun na,
them
hinahabol
points.
nila ngayon.
Now
Ayun,
they
oh.
have.
So that's your bonus 3-point, 10 points. Ano?
That's a bad pass there by Dwight Lago. That's going to cost them some time. That's going to cost them one shot. They're going to have to go for all the money here. This is 8 points.
Kaya nag-alternate na sila sa 3-point shot. Hindi nakuha.
And because it stayed on the ring a little bit too long, they were not able to get that shot off, which would have been worth 7 points.
Baka si Alan Kaydik at saka si Freddy Abuda ang ating first 2-ball champions. Ito
It
pong
looks like it. It looks like it. We'll have to get the
exciting na
official
ito.
count, though.
or excitement na ito hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's, ang ating proud sponsor of the Centennial Squad. And Freddy Abuda and Alan Gay, I think they know na sila ang champions ito. Still to come 34 para kay Dwight and Boyet. Kaya si Alan Kaydik at saka si Freddy Abuda ang champions ng ating first McDonald's 2-ball competition. Dito pa rin kami, nanonood kami ng pagbibigay ng trophy. Sila po ang unang champions, first ever champions.